Counts in my heart.
Counts in your heart.
We'll take it. Dude, we're flashing them all today. Young gonna wanna make call me splurge. I'm so sober right now, it's unbelievable. Good morning, everybody. We're back again in the sunny Los Angeles, California. What a beautiful day today. Hex wants to say hi. He's biting my microphone. I love you, baby. Keep doing you, okay? Before I go to the gym, I'm gonna give you guys a little pre-workout protein shake, protein milk breakdown. Almond cashew milk, 10 grams of protein per cup. What a freaking great thing. This tri-pack protein as well. I'm not sponsored, but it's pretty good. I don't like this flavor that much, but it does give me the gains that I need. But yeah, so I'm gonna fill up my shaker bottle and then show you guys what it kind of looks like, I guess. I don't know. Just give you guys a little rundown. So I do about 1.5 cups of this, so it's like 12 grams of protein. And then I do 2 scoops of this, so that's 50 grams plus 12. So that's 62 grams of protein right in the morning. Get your body filled with the protein it needs. If you enjoy this content, let me know in the comments down below. If you want to come see more, I'll be here daily. I just film these daily, so if you want to come back, you can always come back. What is it again? Hey, okay, 1.5 cups. Let's go. It's probably 1.5 cups. You know what I mean? 2 scoops of this jaunt. Oh yeah, tri-packed. You know what's going on. I do. 2 it is. Oh, so now the shake's looking a little bit sad. It's not very full. So what are we gonna do? Add some ice and water. Like I said earlier, this is not my favorite flavor, so adding the ice kind of helps just make it colder and easier to get down for me. I don't know why that is, but it just helps me. Filtered water, John. Better not be drinking out of that tap water. If you're drinking out of tap water in LA, you're different. Get yourself a filter, man. Especially if you're out here, it is not sweet. Speaking of not sweet, this isn't sweet enough. So this is also something I do. I know I have the water and the ice in there. I add a little bit of oat creamer, plant-based oat creamer. I don't like doing too much like of the normal creamer because I just don't like the quality of the milk in those ones, but I get like heavy cream sometimes. So put some of that in there. These are on Amazon, super chill, 2-pack. Utopia shake. What am I, Travis? Got the Utopia shaker, come on. You mean? That's sick, right? Utopia, like who would have thought? Anyways, shaking this John up like a shake weight. All right, that should be good, that should be good. Before I start drinking the shake, I'm gonna weigh myself. Dude, how am I losing weight? How? I ate a literal pound of Wagyu beef last night, a whole pound. And I dropped another pound somehow today. That's not a good sign. I'm taking the steps, like I'm drinking this, never usually do that. After I come home, I drink another one of these and then have some eggs and carbs. Oh, this is not good. Young gonna wanna me calling me splurge. Bending door rat, curb. The creamer saved my life. I've had this notice on my door since the start of these videos. I don't know why. Today we're gonna do at the gym, we're gonna hit some good old. We did legs yesterday, so probably chest today. And hit a bunch of chest. All right, I love you guys. See you at the gym. I'm gonna change too, so. Bro, what is LA? Guys, on the way here, I literally, I drive a bike, like a moped type thing. And on the way here, I was just like chilling at the light that I was supposed to turn on. While I'm sitting there trying to take a left, these people behind me got like super impatient and just started honking, like slamming on their horn because I wasn't taking the left because there was cars coming. But like I was allowed to take a left. So I was just waiting there and they're like honking their horns super loud. So I ended up just flipping them all off. I just literally lifted up both hands and I was like, get out of here, bro, stop messing with me. And then I turned the corner, I took the left and they were still honking and they were like driving straight. And so when they were driving straight, I like looked back and there's like 2 or 3 cars honking at me and I just flip them all off again. I was laughing the whole time, but I'm sure it got them riled up. All right, we're gonna start with just a basic bench press. I gotta test her out. This bar is weird, I'm not gonna lie. All right, that felt great, I'm not gonna lie. Putting on 2 plates. Y'all know, these ones are only 10 pounds. It feels good, my chest is feeling already pretty open from that first set, but we gotta keep pushing the weight up. Wow. Okay. 10 reps of 35 on each side. That's crazy. All right, we're up to 135. The clock disappeared from out here. I don't know where it went. It's kind of awkward. I'm gonna try to go for 5. Let's do it. Nice. Feeling good out here. Feeling pumpy. Feeling it in the chesticles. It's a beautiful day. It's like 90 degrees right now. It's freaking burning. So if you see the sweat, that's why. Are you guys still rocking with Gunna? I'm team everybody wins. All right, first set. Nice. Felt good. I felt good. I might raise it to 35s in the last set, but this feels pretty good as like a working set. Also, I'm not filming all my sets. I think it's kind of boring. I mean, unless you guys want to see all my sets, let me know. But okay, round 2. Heck yeah. One thing I never put on camera is me doing like push-ups, but I do like about 150 push-ups a day. That's on my whiteboard in my apartment. I just mark it off when I finished it, but I never really filmed that either. I don't know, there's just certain things in the workout that I don't film because it's like, I don't know, it just seems like uninteresting to you guys. But all right, this one we're going for volume. I'm using kettlebells, good for climbing, kind of have like a grip like this, like a pinch almost, as well as doing the chest at the same time. So it's good, I'm getting like hands, grip, and chest. And I'm on the incline because I need the top of my chest the most. Chest is feeling great. Done about 10 total sets. I'm trying to aim for like 12, so I'll just do 2 more of these and then we'll be good. Sure, it's kind of dangly because of the mic, but that's okay. They're setting a bunch of new walls right now again in the gym, which is sick. A couple of like 7s and 8s that I'm looking at, so I'm excited. Even in the last video, they were setting a new wall, so they've been setting a lot lately. Last set of this and let's go climb. Bang, bang. Anyone else ever had some bang bang shrimp before? Stuff's pretty fire. As always, we're getting a little warm up on the spray wall, promoting that creativity and problem solving on the wall. I preach it. A couple other climbers I follow preach it. It's just one of those things you either get or you don't. If you don't get it, I feel bad. Or if you're, like I said in the first video, if your climbing gym doesn't have a spray wall, it's probably not based. I mean that. I'm looking right into the camera when I say that. I'm so sober right now, it's unbelievable. This is the first day like on the video that I haven't smoked. Yesterday was a show. My melatonin didn't produce or something, so I don't know if you guys can tell the difference yet, but I'm sure in the coming videos it'll be a lot more apparent how much more vibrant I am and much more like present and loud on the camera and just like more confident. When I'm high, I'm like usually in my head. And so first couple videos, like 7 videos, you guys can kind of see that. I'm a little bit like nervous, a little bit quiet, a little bit mumbly with my words, but moving forward in every video after, it's going to be pretty like clear because I'm sober. So it's like, I'm really excited for this chapter. This is like the first churning point of this series, I'd say. I feel like a big change is actually happening, and it's really cool to see because I'm just sticking my head down and just going to keep going, see what happens. All right, this spray wall is kind of cool because it has these wood ones. They're like a lot harder usually than the plastic because they have less give. On plastic holds, you can kind of get a little bit of a flex, but these wood ones is pretty much locked. You're not going to get much flex on them, so always chalk up, peeps. Always chalk up. You can start with these inside grips and then move up to those pinches maybe, and then all the way up. Let's see. Okay, I'm feeling great today, I'm not going to lie. That felt so good. Let's go right to the creative stuff. I'm going to traverse on this one. Go left to right. I like traversing. Oh, this is a nice start. Look at that. Left crimp. Right crimp, half crimpy. Left foot on the wood. Nice. Smooth criminal. Okay. I didn't go all the way, but that felt great. I'm in this bitch repeatedly. How many times am I going to sing that song, dude? We're starting very right. tough. Tough. I'm feeling good. Let's go climb. All this new stuff they got going on today. Freaking sweet. Looks so good. Oh yeah, this is sick. Look at all this stuff. This whole entire wall is in. All right, hopefully I don't get copyrighted. If I do, I'm just gonna put my music over it, but we're gonna start with this 4 here. Red 4 guy. Good warm up. Like if you don't have a good warm up though, do not start with anything higher than a 2. That will get you hurt quickly. Good match. Nice. Find your feet. Switch feet. Feel through. Definitely broke the beta on that one, but you'll live if you break a beta once or twice in a while. We're gonna move right into this blue 5. Looks sick. All this stuff's brand new, so I'm so happy. Thank you guys for setting great holds here at Hollywood. Really appreciate it. Let's see if I can flash her. Nice. Another good flash on the 5. Feeling good. All right, we're back. I'll try this white 5. See what I can get out of her. This one looks a lot more complicated than the first 2, so we'll see if I can do anything on it. Oh. And that's why you keep trying. There we go. Yeah, that makes sense. All right, I'm feeling warm. I'm gonna give this 6 a try, but it looks tough, so it might take me a few tries. There we go. Good one, good 6. All right, we got some more 5s in the set, so I'm gonna hit those jaunts right there. Purple guy and the black one. Nice. Dude, we're flashing them all today. The yellow 7 looks absolutely fun. This grip does not look fun. Neither does those 3.
Before the rapture, let's see how far we get before they take you away from me. Cause there ain't no way we're ending up in the same place. Well, I've lost wars and I've failed missions. I've seen a world like no one else did. Can't even quantify what I live.
Hell yeah.
Flashing 7s?
Yeah, dude.
Who do you think you are, bro?
I don't know, dude. I don't know what got into me. It doesn't really count as a flash because I fell in the first part, but it counts in my heart, you know?
Yeah.
Counts in my heart.
Counts in your heart.
We'll take it. Chest. You only go one day at a time. What a day. What a great day. It's been real. I hope you guys enjoyed the content today. If you did, definitely go ahead and subscribe or comment or like so you can come back. I love you guys. See you tomorrow. Peace.